Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, denim handcrafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, denim notebook or diaries with denim decorated with lace, patches or embroidery. Creative way to reuse all jeans. Your book will look unique and stylish. Use denim pockets to create a wall art. Hang them on a board or frame. Store small items like pen, scissors, or keys for creative and friendly. Make bracelet by red dentist and beads on or embroidery for decoration. It's a fun and easy dye. Unique, casual and handmade stitches. All denim piece together to make a table mat. Layer different shade for a modern look. Protect your tables and add a cozy feel. Simple, creative and friendly. Cut the denim into flower shape or stitch. The layers, use them for a wall decoration. Buckets, centerpiece. Denim flowers are unique and old, long-lasting, perfect for creative dye decoration. Combine elements pieces to make patchwork pillow covers. Mix light and dark denim for a stylish contrast. A simple way to recycle jeans and beautiful living space. Denim plant order pop. Small plant pot with denim scarf. Add lace, ribbon or beads for decoration. A fun way to recycle all jeans and beautiful your space. Use denim to make pillow covers, table mat. Use all denim piece and stitches them together to give your home a cozy and creative touch. Make earring, bracelet or necklaces from denim scarves stitched or fold strips for stylish styles. Denim truly is casual, unique and handmade. And weavers creative wall decoration using denim scarf. Cut shapes like heart, flower or star. Glue stitches them on a canvas. Denim wall art is creative, fun and trendy. So viewers, please, thanks for watching my channel and viewers.